All right, welcome back to the Okie Smoking Channel. John here. Got some sirloin steak right now. Got a poblano pepper. And what we're going to do is first sear this on the pit boss fire for a little while until the skin starts falling off. Then we're going to peel them and turn get the inside. We're going to add this steak we're going to cook and add everything and make a little poblano taco. That's going to be our taco shell. And we haven't done a keto recipe in a while. That's what we're doing today. And we're just going to season it with some of this Midwest dust. This is what, 0 carb. And let's season it up.
For one poblano.
It's 8 carbs per one of these.
Yes.
8 carbs per one poblano pepper. So now I'm just going to take this out to the pit boss and we're going to let it cook, get the skin off, and then I'll be back in here. There they go. They look lovely. Got the peppers and steak there. We went ahead and peeled off the skin of it. It took a little bit. We used a bag and actually made it sweat a little bit, and they did come off easier. And then went ahead and got some pepper jack cheese. And she went ahead, Dolores did, and went ahead and cut that up in little slices to stuff this pepper with. Look at that, all looking real good there. Then we went ahead and also added some queso fresco cheese. Same way, just went ahead and cut that open and went ahead and chopped that up in little pieces. This is going to make it a good filling for this poblano. I'm just saying it's going to be awesome. Then she went ahead and cut it open like that. Went ahead and started with the pepper jack cheese on the bottom. Went ahead and put a few of those on there. Started filling that in good. Then went ahead and started adding the queso fresco cheese. It's like a 2-cheese poblano pepper filling. I actually call it the taco. Got that poblano as the taco shell. And then of course the steak. Got to add that in there. And look at that. It looks beautiful. Went ahead and did a second one as well. And then we're just going to go ahead and put these on the pit boss and let them cook till that cheese is melted and dig in. All right, here we go. We got the poblano tacos. Me and Brian here. We went ahead and put these on the grill and then went ahead and made it so that the skin came off. They didn't come off initially, and then we put them in a bag, kind of let them sweat, and was able to get the skin off of them. And then we went ahead and filled it with some cheese and topped it with some cilantro. Cilantro
and avocados.
And avocados with a.
Don't forget there's
still got the stem on there, but
and there's
hey.
Steak.
Oh, steak, the most important part, of course, on here. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Got some seasoning on the top of that too.
Got a cheesy pull.
Wow. Whoa.
You good?
I really like it. It's really good.
So good keto. It's keto.
This seems like something like your favorite restaurant, Garage.
Really?
With something, they would have something like this on their menu.
Heck yeah.
Like, that's how good it is.
Wow.